Creating tickets. In the Service module, please click on the main menu Tickets. Click on the button Create New on the top right. Enter the email address of the contact. Enter the subject for the ticket. Choose the assignee for the ticket. Enter the content of the ticket. Once done, click on the Submit button and the ticket will be created. Once a ticket is created, an email is automatically sent to the customer with the ticket ID. Changing ticket status, ticket type and priority. To change the ticket status or ticket type and priority, please open the ticket. In the left pane, you will find the options. Status, it is used to change the status of the ticket. Type, it is used to change the type of the ticket. Priority, it is used to change the priority of the ticket. While replying to the ticket, you can attach files by clicking on the Attach Files option available. Creating views. Tickets views are there to help you organize your tickets by grouping them into lists based on different criteria. You can create view lists for pending tickets, a view for new tickets, a view for unassigned tickets, and more. This service views can help you determine which tickets need immediate attention. To create views, log into your dashboard. In the Service module, click on the main menu Views. In the upper right, click Create Views. In the right panel, enter the name of your view. Click on plus Add button under Meet All or Meet Any to add the conditions for the view. Let's add a condition status is open and priority is low. Once done, click Submit and the view will be created. This view shows all the tickets whose status is open and the priority is low. To apply the view that you have created, click on the main menu Tickets. On the right pane, you will find all the views. Click on the view that you have created. It will list the tickets based on the view. Macro. Macro is nothing but similar to the workflow in the Marketing and Sales module. You can set up a series of activities that comprises the process of performing a task from the start to the end. EngageBay macros and automation use the same set of actions and conditions. However, the difference between the two is that macro does not have a trigger event. It has to be started manually by execution. For instance, macros can be used to set ticket properties, add or modify tags, and much more. Creating a macro. In the Service module, click on the main menu Macros. On the top right, click on the button Create Macro. Enter the name for the macro and click on Continue. Click the big plus button on the top right. Add the action nodes and conditions nodes accordingly. Let's add an action node, Set Ticket Status. Select the status as Solved. Click on Add Action button. Add another action node, Add Tag. Select the tag EB. Click on Add Action button. Join the nodes. Click on Save on the top right to save the macro. Please make sure it is in the published mode. Executing macro. Open the ticket on which you want to execute the macro on. On the left panel, click on 3 dots, vertical ellipsis, and select Execute Macro. Based on what process you want to execute, choose from the existing list of macros. Once done, select Execute. The macro will be executed on the ticket. Canned responses. Canned responses are saved replies to commonly asked questions related to marketing, sales, and service support. It is designed to save your agent's time and personalize your responses to customer queries. EngageBay even lets you automate responses by setting certain triggers to send out canned responses. You just need to define conditions, such as ticket number, source of the ticket, or keyword in customer query and let EngageBay respond immediately. Let's create a canned response. In the Service module, click on Main Menu Settings. In the left pane, click on Canned Responses. On the top right, click on Add Canned Response button. Enter the name for the canned response. Enter the message for the canned response. Click on the Save button. The canned response will be saved. Using canned responses. To use a canned response, open the ticket on which you want to use the canned response. You will find a button Canned Responses. Click on it. It will list all the canned responses. Select the one that you want to use. The canned response will be inserted.